Let's create Camarones con mojo verde or shrimp with green mojo or mojo verde, Puerto Rican style. And I'm going to cook this one with plantain, tostones to be more specific, and with rice. And I'm going to show you how to prepare the mojo and everything else. 1 cup of the extra virgin olive oil, put in a pan, and I'm going to heat it up, I would say a couple notches below medium, and heat it up for about 5 minutes because I want the oil, I don't want it too dense. That's the purpose of heating it up, okay? 5 minutes. And once you're done, you're going to put it aside and let it cool down for about 10 minutes. While the oil cooled down, I have a shallot. If you don't have a shallot, go with the red onion, okay? So I'm going to cut it or chop it. Correct them. I'm going to chop it. Let me peel it a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect, the cut. I just don't want a big chunk. Also have the plantain. Let me prep this baby, yeah? The incision here. The incision there. Peel it. Cut it. Let me cut it in 1/3 because this is a large plantain. Make sure it's green. Once you cut it like this in the cylinder, come here. I said let's cut it in thirds. If it's too thin, just cut it in half, right? Food processor. Let me put the oil. See how it's not that dense anymore, right? Because I heat it up, let it cool down for 10 minutes. Extra virgin olive oil, of course. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the shallots or maybe the red onions, whichever the case. 5 or 6 tooth of garlic. It's about a couple cups of cilantro. One-third of a cup of white vinegar. And I say about 1/3 of a lemon. Squeeze it. I remember growing up in Puerto Rico. My grandmother have a lemon tree. My goodness. Let's cut this baby up. Let me put a pinch of salt. I have a pan, gas iron in this case, doesn't have to be. Couple notches above medium. Let's add the plantains. Let's start cooking these babies, okay? At the same time, high heat, a pot, 1 cup of rice, about a cup and a quarter of water, maybe a cup and a half. If you add more rice, then what you do is you have enough water that when you put this thing touching the top of the rice, it's about 1/4 inch, maybe 1/2 inch. Then what you're going to do is you're going to let it simmer first, okay? Now that it's simmering, what you're going to do, reduce the heat to medium. I'm going to put some turmeric. This is a simplified version. Paprika, smoked paprika. Let's make it smoky. Quick stir, just a very quick one. Cover it, once again, a medium, and let it cook. Here in the meantime, it's been about maybe 3 minutes. I'm going to turn these babies because I didn't put the oil all the way up. Just going to turn it so it cook on the other side too. And then I'm going to cook it for maybe another 3 minutes. Paper towel, plate, doesn't matter. You're going to remove them. You want the oil to dry it up a little bit. When the water evaporates, you see these little crates, you're going to stir it. It's not ready, just a quick stir. And then what you're going to do, put it back, let it cook for another 3 or so minutes, okay? Now you get a plate or maybe a wooden bowl like this, but a plate would do. Grab the plantains, and you're going to smash them, okay? Just put some pressure. See how flat? Do the same with the others. And now you're going to refry them around medium heat for about 1 minute, 45 seconds to a minute, okay? Then you're going to get them out and put it again in a paper towel, a plate with a paper towel, so that grease drain. Cast iron pan, don't have to be cast iron. Going to cook the shrimp here, couple notches above medium. I'm going to use butter. Put a couple, about 3 tablespoons. When it melts, let me show you the shrimp. I peel and clean the shrimp, but I made sure I left the tail on, okay? Once the butter melt, very simple. Going to start cooking the shrimp, right? And we're going to add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. I'm going with sea salt. You don't have to go crazy. I have some thyme. I still have a quarter of a lemon. Let me squeeze that baby around, right? And I'm going to let this baby cook. About a minute, 90 seconds. A minute and a half. Just turn them around. They're starting to look yellow. And cook the other side for about maybe a minute and a half, okay? See how they change the color to orange? That's how you know they're ready. So get them out here, okay? They're ready.
Todos los días sueño contigo. Quiero estar a tu lado. Todos los días me siento solo. Quiero estar contigo. Cariño, cariño, cariño. Quiero estar a tu lado. Quiero estar contigo. Cariño, cariño, cariño. Quiero estar a tu lado. Quiero estar contigo. Todos los días sueño contigo. Quiero estar a tu lado. Todos los días me siento solo. Quiero estar contigo.